To ensure the Form R5 FTCC online course quality rubric is used properly, we will use the pyramid model. Here is a visual representation of the pyramid model. Let's examine how the pyramid model works. Level 1. Faculty and staff will create or verify that 100% of course materials implemented into Blackboard or used digitally are ADA compliant for each course. Level 2. 10% of those documents and/or course materials will be randomly selected by the academic department chair to check for ADA compliance using the R5 form. On this level, the department chair may choose to check more than 10% of the courses for compliance standards. Level 3. 10% of the department chair selections will be compliance checked by the dean of the program. On this level, the department dean may choose to check more than 10% of the courses for compliance standards. Level 4. 10% of the dean's selections will be randomly chosen and checked for ADA compliance by the Disability Support Services Coordinator or Director. On this level, the overseer of the pyramid model will select more than 10% of the dean's findings to check for ADA compliance standards. Next, we will discuss how to save the R5 forms for each course. Once the R5 forms are completed by academic departments or programs, the reviewer will save the data into the L Drive file folder named Course Quality Rubric. The R5 forms will be saved as follows: course name, course number, section number, semester, and year. Here is an example. All capital letters, edu _ 119 _ 0001 _ all capital letters FA _ 2020. Each department has its own file folder in the L Drive. Reviewers will click on the file folder that aligns with the academic department or program. The department chairs will have a specific folder to save the R5 form that is titled Department _ Chairs. The deans will have a specific folder to save the R5 form data that is titled Dean. The Disability Support Services Coordinator or Director will have a specific folder to archive the final review of the dean's findings located in the DSSO file folder. A department chair is considered secured level 1, which means he or she can only access the file folder within the academic department. A dean's file folder is the secured level 2, which means that he or she can access the department chair's review as well as the dean's file folder within his or her own department. Other departments' file folders cannot be accessed. The Disability Support Services Coordinator or Director file folder is secured level 3, which means the saved R5 forms can be collected and reviewed with full access to the file folders from each department. The Disability Support Services Coordinator or Director will archive the final reviews for future audits from the Office of Civil Rights. Please note, if the reviewers of the R5 form recommend compliance changes, the R5 form for the specific course must be provided to the course manager to make revisions. The reviewer will collaborate with the course manager to reevaluate the R5 form once revisions are finalized, and it will be saved to the appropriate file folder within the L Drive.